This video demonstrates how to display and configure hotkeys or keyboard shortcuts in eSquare Studio. Launch eSquare Studio, select Window, Preferences. Select General, Keys, and choose a scheme from the predefined list. In this example, select the default scheme. Next, you can change or add new hotkeys to personalize your eSquare Studio configuration. For example, we will change the configuration for rename. Search for the command in the filter box. Then, select the command in the table. We can see that rename command is currently assigned to F2. Also, the hotkey for rename is displayed as F2 in the main menu. To change this, unbind the command. Then, in the binding field, simply press the key or the combination of keys that you want to assign to this command. Let's try F3. Now, check the conflicts window. You can see that this hotkey is conflicted with another hotkey. To solve the conflict, try a different hotkey setup. Let's try Ctrl F2. This time, there is no conflict. Next, the When field allows us to assign when this hotkey is valid. We can quickly reset the hotkey by clicking the Restore Command button. If you are satisfied with the change, click the Apply and Close button to set this configuration into your workspace. Note that configurations of key bindings are stored in the current workspace and not shared with other workspaces. Notice that the Rename hotkey is changed to Ctrl F2 in the main menu. To try the hotkeys, select a file and press Ctrl F2 to rename it. Key bindings can vary based on the current context of Eclipse. For more details, refer to the eSquare Studio Help menu.